After Virat Kohli scored a century during the ongoing India vs New Zealand World Cup match, Anushka Sharma was captured sending loads of flying kisses to her husband. Virat called Anushka the person I love the most during his post-innings interaction. During the ongoing World Cup 2023 semi-final match between India and New Zealand at Mumbai Wankhede Stadium, a heartwarming moment stole the spotlight as star cricketer Virat Kohli sent a flying kiss to his wife, Bollywood actor Anushka Sharma, from the field. The gesture, reciprocated by Anushka, quickly made its way to social media. Following this heartwarming moment, the couple exchanged more flying kisses after the batsman scored his 50th century during the match. After Rohit Sharma chose to bat first, Virat maintained dominance on the field and scored a century. Right after Virat scored his 100, Anushka got up from her seat and sent flying kisses to her husband. Virat responded with the same gesture. In his post-innings interaction, Virat Kohli spoke about his dream innings and said, "It's stuff of dreams. Sachin Pazi is there. Anushka was sitting there. It's very difficult for me to explain this. It was amazing." Earlier during the match, Virat and Anushka were captured sharing another cute moment as the cricketer sent a flying kiss to his wife and she responded the same way. With memories of the 2019 World Cup semi-final loss to New Zealand still lingering, all eyes are on Team India for potential redemption in this high-stakes encounter. And to support Team India, the Wankhede Stadium saw a star-studded audience including Bollywood celebrities like Kiara Advani, Siddharth Malhotra, John Abraham and Ranbir Kapoor. Among others at the Wankhede Stadium to watch the semi-finals with his wife Lata Rajinikanth. Pictures of Kiara Advani and Siddharth Malhotra enjoying the match with football legend David Beckham have also made their way on social media.